Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. We were looking at list in Python and till now we have seen some very basic functions that are available in list in Pythons. So here there is yet another video on inbuilt functions on list, and here we will be visualizing these three basic functions which are really very simple. As the name suggests, sum, min and max, they do what their name exactly are. So let us see them one by one. Talking about the sum function, it is very simple and very clear that it returns the sum of the elements present in the list. So let us go back to our Python screen and see how this sum is going to give us the addition of each and every element that is present in my list. So it is very simple. Let me have some elements in my list. Let s be a simple variable and I shall be calling sum over I shall be calling sum with the parameter my list in it, and simply I shall be printing the value of s. On running the code, you can simply visualize that the answer is 15. That is the sum of each and every element that is present in my list. This is very simple and trivial. The next function is the min function. Here we have a list and we have simply passed list as the parameter for min function and we have just printed the value. So here the min function calculates the minimum of all the elements of the list. Let us have a look on the max function as well. The max function is the exact opposite of the min function and it calculates the maximum of all the elements in the list. So we have two functions, min and max, to calculate the maximum and the minimum element of my list. Let us visualize the both functions. So let me just make the elements of my list a little random. Right? Here, what I will be going to do is, I will be printing a statement which says the minimum element. And I will be calling the min function over my list L. Similarly, I will be having another print function that will say the maximum element. And I will be calling the max function on my list L. Let us print it and see. And you can clearly see the minimum element of my list is 2 and the maximum element is 555. So that was all with this video, and we have seen the most basic or the trivial functions that are available with list, that is sum, min and maximum. Watching more such functions that are available for list in Python, stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.